This morning I am going to cook me some chicken breast. I've got them sliced up with the Kentucky Fried Chicken recipe. And I've got 2 cups of flour in here, and I'll tell you, I've got ground thyme, some basil, organza, celery salt, black pepper, dry mustard powder, paprika, garlic salt, ground ginger, 3 tablespoons of white pepper, 1 beaten egg, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And I've soaked these for several hours. And I've got 2 chicken breasts here. So I am going to fry these up and have these for dinner today. So I'm gonna put my chicken in the spices and the flour. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. This is Monday morning. This will go out Wednesday morning. But I bought a package of 4 chicken breasts, and I put 2 of them in the freezer. And then I sliced these 2. I'll have enough for 2 or 3 meals here. I'm trying to wash my hands here. Alrighty. Alright, I found this recipe on the internet. And I loved Colonel Sanders' KFC chicken strips and chicken, and I thought I'd cook me some. But I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. I've got the stove on, getting it heated up, and I will bring you back right before I get them done. Alright, I just about got it done. If they cook it, you know, so much on each side. And I've turned them over several times, letting them get done. I believe that one's done. And that little one's done. Like I said, I'll have enough to eat here for 2 or 3 days, and just put them in the refrigerator and cover them up. Just with some potatoes and some green beans or something, and I'll have this for dinner. This pan skillet is bigger than my eye, so the ones in the middle is getting put first. I think that is done. And what it tasted, cut a bite off of one of them. Tastes pretty good. But I'm using the same recipe that Colonel Sanders used for the thing. The only thing I didn't have was white pepper. When I ordered my put my order in for Walmart for my stuff for this, they didn't have any on stock. I have never bought white pepper before, so I'm going to cut this off and let them down, fry down a little bit. But I hope y'all had this is Monday morning, I hope y'all had a blessed weekend. My niece came and visited with me for 2 or 3 hours yesterday. I enjoyed being with her. She came by herself when they got out of church. She came by herself, and her husband took his mother and took her somewhere. So, but her husband's a preacher. So we had a good time talking and reminiscing. Because my brother passed away. Her daddy passed away 20 years ago. All right. This is my chicken. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank you so much for watching.